Hello friends, welcome to Max Pro Tips tutorial how to pass Rev Transcription test. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please consider liking this video and subscribing my YouTube channel. First of all, you need to understand Rev guideline about transcription test. After reading all these transcription guidelines, then you move to the transcription test. Transcription test consists of two parts. First is MCQs and then is audio transcribing. So, first of all, I tell you MCQs test answer, then I move to the audio test. So here is the first question. She did not even, she really did not know how to accept the news. There is three option A, B and C. The correct option is A. She really did not know how to accept the news. Second question is nice to meet you, director of product. Here is four different options and correct option is option B. Make sure read this option and here is Michelle. Nice to meet you. I am Michelle, director of product here at. So this B option is correct option. This is question related to punctuation. So make sure read the punctuation guideline on transcription. And then third question is, well, I mean, there are like some other ways to go about it. So here is the four different options. This question is related to the slang words. So make sure read instruction about slang word on Rev transcription guidelines page. So these are four different options and correct option is option A. Well, then comma and then I mean again comma. There are some other way about to it. So this is the correct option. Fourth option is hi, yo. How are you? I am not feeling well. So fourth question is three different option and correct option is option C. Make sure read this option carefully and select this answer on your transcription MCQs page. Here is fifth question. We going to Paris in a few days. Here is three different option and correct option is option B. We going to Paris in a few days. So this is the correct. They are not going to there anymore because their car would not start. There is four different option and correct option is first one. They are not going to go there anymore because their car would not start. This first option is correct option. Seventh question is it's raining today, so unless you wanna get reached, you are gonna need your umbrella. So this question answer is D option. Make sure match this option on your question. So this D option is correct option. This is the first part. Second part of MCQ's question is word choice. So choose the word that best fits the sentence. First question is I work at my dash store every evening. There is four different option and correct option is moms and dads. This is the correct option. Second option is for all dash the test is over. Correct. There is three option and correct option is option B intents and purpose. This is the correct option. Third question is the dash could not hold back the flood. The correct option is option A. Fourth question is her nervousness had a profound dash on her ability to play the piano. It affected or affected. Option A is the correct option. Fourth question is Peter did not know dash was his. No, which was. There is four option and option B. Which option is correct option? Sixth question. Law enforcement is property after they discovered new evidence seized. Option B is the correct option of sixth question. Seventh question. How much is the dash on that loan? There is three options and option C is the correct option. There is other question, question 8. I gave dash plenty of time to get to the party. There is four different options and correct option is myself. And 10th question, after a period of growth, my restaurant needed more dash to continue expanding. The correct option is option A, capital. 11th question, choose the perfect to my tomato soup. The correct option is option A, employment. 12th question, even after a week of thought, he just did not know how to dash his wrong. The correct option is option B, right. Third question is, 13th question is how much is the dash on that loan? Option, there is three options and option C is the correct option. Question number 14, after dash leave and walk to the gym. There is four different options and I is the correct option. 15th question, my husband played football very well. C option is correct option. 14, do you like to sleep the stars? There are four different options and under is the correct option. Other question, she received a B on her English paper because she forgot to her success. There is four different options and correct option is option B. There is 16 question and Jack took their bikes with. There is four different options and correct option is them. The 17th question is, did you know Hong Kong is one of the world's most cities? This question answer is B. 18th question is, car is blue. Correct option is B. Their car is blue. 19th question is, I hosted a birthday party last Sunday and the guest on my house. Correct option is A. Then 20th question is, my interest was when I found out he was chess player. This question answer is A. 21 question is, I write. Correct option is B. Well. 22 question is, when I was young, I always took my teacher for. Correct option is B. Granted. 23 question is, scientists prepared the of solution of their next experiment. Correct option is A. 24 question is, you can make dash at home yourselves. This is the correct answer. So next is third part of MCQs question related to syntax structure. First question is which of the following sentence is correctly punctuated? This question answer is C. There is four different options and correct option is C. This sentence is correctly punctuated. Second question, which sentence is correctly capitalized? This answer is answer B. This is correctly capitalized. Third question is which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? This question is answer is D. I saw Mike run like the wind. Fourth question is choose the sentence that is written correctly. First option is correct option. Fifth question, choose the statement that is written correctly. So this is the first option is the correct option. Sixth question, which of the sentence is written correctly? There are three options and third one is correct. Seventh question is which sentence is capitalized correctly? There is four different options and last option D is the correct option. Eighth question, choose the sentence that is written correctly. There is four different options and first option is the correct option. Ninth question is which of the following sentence is correctly punctuated? There are four different options and first option is the correct option. 10th is choose the sentence that is written correctly. There are three options and last option is correct option. 11th question, which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? There are four different options and first option is the correct option. 12th question, which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? There are four different options and third one, option C is the correct option. 13th question, which of the following sentence is correctly punctuated? There are four different options and option B, everyone has special skills. Some people use them very well. This is the correct option. The 14th question, which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? There is four different options and option D, when we are done eating, clear your place. 15th question, which sentence is correctly capitalized? There are four different options and first option is the correct option. 16th question, which sentence is capitalized correctly? There are four different options and first option is correct option. 17th question, which of the following sentence is correctly punctuated? The first option is correct option. No, the second part of this Rev transcription test is audio part. The audio is given. You need to transcribe correctly according to the Rev transcription guideline. Before starting this test, make sure you read Rev transcription carefully and apply all the rules of Rev apply to this audio file. So I transcribe this audio according to the transcription guideline. Make sure you double check the guidelines before submitting the Rev transcription application. So check out. So friend, this is the Rev Transcription application. Make sure before submitting this application, you must show that you apply all the transcription rules on this audio file. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any query related to this transcription application, ask me in comment section. I will answer there. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.